We're at this lake. Pretty nice looking lake. There's some area that's got sand. Already got the metal detector going on. Look around out here. There's some beach area. There's some grass area. There's volleyball courts. So hoping to find some stuff. So come along. I think, I don't know, it's a 20, straight up 20, 21, 22. We'll give it a try. I know we're getting a lot of bottle caps. We're probably gonna be able to get to our goal, I would say. This ground's really hard. I should have brought a... Let's change hands here. I should have got a... I'm kind of suspecting this might be a penny, but I don't know. Where are you at? Still in the dirt there. Getting a little harder. Oh, there it is. Sit there. Look at that. Oh, come on. Can you vaguely see it there? Boy, it's an old crusty zinc and link, and I can tell you that. Look at that. Must have something to do with the acidity of the dirt. Like being close to this lake. Alright, well, something for the pouch. Alright, we're still underneath these trees over here. I thought I'd bring you guys along. Even let you see the stuff that's junk. But there's an okay hit. 19, about 23. It's probably a penny. I just found a nickel. In between having it off. Well, the nickels are even like real crusty. Man, I got a good breeze going on now. Right there it is. See it? Yep. Oh, lost it again. Where in the world? I lost it that quick. Huh. Yep, my head is. It's a new one. Well, it looks new. And let's see if I can see it. Is that 2004? No, 1994. Yep, another one for the pouch. We're getting a lot of iron or mineral here. May have to turn our sensitivity down. That's what we'll do. I believe that's a coin. Let's check it out. Jeez. Oh, look at here. Oh my goodness. I think we found, yeah, it's $1. It's a presidential dollar. Boy, it looks brown. Sure does look brown. There you go, $1 for the pouch. Came up pretty good too. I thought it was a coin. I think that dollar been there for a while. I know they've got a bronze color to begin with, but that thing. Let's see what this might be. Some of this is kind of soft. Oh, there it was. Right there. Looks like a copper. By the looks, can't tell the date. Maybe 1997 is what it is. Alright. Another one for the pouch. Oh. And let's keep going. See, this is around these fire pits. So there's a lot of stuff around here. There's another one. Let's give it a try. That may be, I don't know if that come up like aluminum, but could be a penny too. Where to go? Oh, look at there. It's a dime. Oh. 1997. It's pretty. That's got to be a fairly new drop. $28.29. Well, $28 to $30. So let's try that. To me, it's a good strong hit. Sounds like a coin. Oh, it's over there. This is the one I hear. Look here. Crusty quarter. It's a newer one, huh? Well, it's not that new, but it's got the eagle on the back. It's green. 1995, possibly. Okay, another quarter for the pouch. What was it? We had something over here. I've been finding like chunks of melted aluminum here, probably from the fireplace, of course. Yeah. Yep, it's a losser. All right, guys, for a roundup. Gee whiz. As you can see, we've been working on the bottle caps. Found a couple tent stakes. There's some lead anchor or weights, some other metal trash. Pull tabs, small pieces of aluminum, lead maybe too. Didn't find as much for coins, some crusty old pennies. There were a few old ones in there. There was a couple 60s. There were like 3 dimes, 3 nickels, a couple quarters, and there was a presidential quarter there. You've seen that one on video too. That was the one. We'll get them cleaned up here after we show them at the monthly meeting, and then we'll let you guys know if we got anything really special. But anyways, thank you for watching. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, give us a comment.